name is Kimberly McIntyre. I want to welcome you to my channel, and if you don't mind, hit that bell and subscribe for more. Today I am taking something that has been in our family for years. We have tweaked it to make it clean and healthy, and this is so delicious. It's called Hawaiian Roast. Traditionally it was a pork roast, and I will show you the difference in the seasonings as we go along. First of all, most important part, 100% grass-fed. This is a chuck roast, and I got an extra large one because I will also use this in another recipe, and I will get that one to you as well. One thing I love to do is take something that is the most time-consuming and make it in a way that you can have several different dishes so that you don't get bored. Today I'm putting it in the roaster. We're gonna do it in the oven. You can put this in the crock pot. You can also do it on the stove top, which I have done many times. 1 can of tomato sauce, the small can. This is organic. Put that right on top of the roast. And then you'll do a can of Sucanat. So the way we used to do it was with brown sugar, but brown sugar has been stripped of its vitamins and minerals, and Sucanat has not. So it's a much better choice, and it is very delicious. 1 can of liquid Aminos. This used to be La Choy soy sauce, but La Choy is hydrolyzed and stripped of nutrients as well. So there you have it, and now it is ready to go in the oven. Super simple, super delicious. I'm gonna bake it on 350 until it wants to fall apart. I am making rice to go with the roast, and this is the most awesome rice steamer. You have a fill line right here, 2, 4, 6. I'm doing it to the 2. You just pour your rice in, super simple. The thing that I love is you can walk away and you don't have to worry about it boiling over. And you just put the top on, press, cook, off it goes. Ready in 30 minutes. It's amazing. The roast is finished, and it is fork tender. This is gonna be delicious. I forgot the name of the roast. What kind of roast do we use?
Chuck roast?
Chuck roast.
Chuck roast, I like the way you asked.